Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to skip Rockstar sign-in process. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly what you would do is just simply open the platform where you've bought the game. So it might be the Rockstar itself, Epic Games or Steam. So for me it's Epic Games. Now all you have to do is just simply launch your game. Now after the game launch, just simply hit Alt Tab on your computer. Then go back to your desktop. Now what you have to do is open Task Manager. Now over here just eliminate a task for Rockstar. So just simply click on that option, click on End Task, then end OK. Now it's gone. Now what you have to do is open FiveM. Now wait for it to launch. Now as you can see, it didn't ask the Rockstar identification. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.